Are you tired of chaotic project timelines and wondering where all the working hours go? Let's solve that. Today, we're diving into how to master Clockify for your team and finally get your projects on track. First, head over to Clockify and either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. The first step is creating a workspace for your team. Think of it as your team's dedicated area within Clockify. Once logged in, you'll find the option to create a new workspace. Give it a name that represents your team or company. Next, let's set up your projects. Navigate to the Projects section in the left-hand menu. Click the Add Project button and give your project a clear and concise name. You can also add details such as the client, billing rate, and project color for easy identification. This will help you categorize and track time spent on specific projects. Now, let's invite your team. Go to the Team section from the left-hand menu here. You'll see the Invite Users button. Enter your team members' email addresses and assign them roles, such as user, manager, or admin. Each role has different permission levels, allowing you to control who can track time, manage projects, and generate reports. To effectively manage tasks, navigate to a specific project and add a task. Simply click the Add Task button, name the task, and assign it to the relevant team member. Assigning tasks ensures clarity and accountability within your projects. Once everything is set up, your team members can start tracking their time. They can select the project, task, and add a description of what they're working on. Clockify offers both a timer and a manual time entry option, giving your team flexibility in how they track their time. Finally, the Reports section is where the magic happens. You can generate detailed reports to see how much time is being spent on each project, task, and by each team member. Use filters to customize your reports and gain valuable insights into your team's productivity and project progress. Now you're ready to reclaim your time. Goodbye.